Dingzhou Jinlong Metal Production Company Limited locates in Dingzhou City of China. Our company was established in 2004 year. We are professional factory of welding electrodes, welding wire, welding material, with powerful strengthen and advanced technology, and the rights of self-supporting export. We introduced the International with Electrodes production line and complete test equipment. We already have passed the Quality Management System ISO 9001-2008. Our products have passed CE certification for many years. We specialize in welding electrodes. Our team is strong. Product quality is stable. With strict quality control system, our products have been exported to many countries of Middle East, Africa, South America, and so on. And we have won the majority of customers at abroad. Our brand name is Tongqiao brand. Excellence, innovation are the spirits of our continued development and growth of enterprise. Welcome your kind feedback if you have any required. Competitive price with good quality is our mainly business principles for long time.
Dingzhou Jinlong Metals Production Company is a professional factory of welding electrodes. Popular price with good quality is our mainly business principle. Good honors from market is very important. We must make sure good quality to capture more market. Until now, our talent are following the world. Great technical and service is our target for you. We are the trusted supplier for your truth.